Before buying a smart TV stick, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Roku Streaming Stick HD. The Roku Streaming Stick HD is your ticket to effortless streaming at just $29.99. What really caught my eye was its compact design and the promise of simple HD streaming. If you want hassle-free access to all your favorite movies and shows, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It streams in 1080p, which means you'll enjoy clear visuals, especially if you're watching on smaller screens. With over 10,000 units sold recently, you know it's popular. Plus, it supports all the major services like Netflix and Hulu. Everything you need right at your fingertips. The remote even lets you control your TV and adjust the volume, making life a little easier. Now, some people complained about the lack of 4K support. Here's the thing though, if you're not ready to invest in a 4K TV yet, this stick will serve you just fine. It's an affordable starter option that brings a lot to the table. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an entry-level streaming device without the frills. Skip this one if you need 4K streaming, but for the price, it's a great value. Now, if that 1080p resolution didn't cut it for you, the next one really ups the ante with 4K capabilities.
Product number 2, Roku Streaming Stick Plus, priced at $38.45. What impressed me was its ability to stream in 4K with HDR, which is a big deal if you want that sharp, vibrant picture. If you want rich, high-quality visuals for your binge watching, this is absolutely worth a serious look. This device doesn't just stop at pretty pictures. It also boasts a solid selection of over 500 live TV channels, making it a powerful option for anyone wanting more than just on-demand movies. The long-range Wi-Fi feature means smoother streaming, even if your router is far away. The remote is also voice-controlled, letting you ask for your favorite shows without lifting a finger. Now, some users mention that the voice search can be a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though, if you're not in a rush and can take a moment to correctly articulate your request, it works like a charm. The trade-off is definitely worth it for that stunning HDR experience. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your streaming quality. Skip this if you're still on a standard HD TV, but it's a great investment for the future. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who really want to enhance their viewing experience.
Product number 3, Roku Streaming Stick 4K. The Roku Streaming Stick 4K comes in at $44.19. And let me tell you, the picture quality is breathtaking. It supports Dolby Vision, which means those colors really pop. If you crave stunning visuals and a more immersive experience, this is worth a serious look. With 4 times the resolution of HD, you'll see details you never noticed before. The long-range Wi-Fi capability is another game changer. Streaming won't suffer even if you're farther from your router. Plus, it keeps that sleek design we love, so you won't have clutter. Now, some people found it a little tricky to set up, especially if they aren't tech savvy. Here's the thing though, once you get through that initial setup, it's smooth sailing from there. It's a bit of a hurdle, but the payoff is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you demand high-quality streaming in every room. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra simple to set up, but it's a great pick for those who love quality. Now, if you're curious about something a bit different, the next product from Google might just catch your attention.
Product number 4, Google TV Streamer 4K. We have the Google TV Streamer 4K, a smart choice if you love personalization. While there's no listed price, this device offers fantastic features that elevate your streaming experience. The tailored recommendations based on your viewing habits are a standout. If you want a device that practically knows what you enjoy watching, this is worth a serious look. With 4K HDR capabilities, you'll get clear and vibrant images. The added bonus of accessing over 800 free channels means you won't run out of things to watch anytime soon. The voice search remote is intuitive, making it easy to search and control your smart home devices all at once. Now, some users mentioned that it requires an HDMI 2.1 cable, which isn't included. Here's the thing though, if you're already investing in a 4K setup, that's a small price to pay for the rich experience this offers. This is perfect for you if you love personalized suggestions and a wide variety of content. Skip this if you're on a budget and looking for something less complex, but the features justify the investment. And for those who want even more options, the next Google TV model might interest you.
Product number 5, Google TV Streamer 4K in Hazel, which packs similar features but in a different design. If aesthetics matter to you, this stylish option is a great catch. What really stood out to me was its versatility with Miracast and voice search, making it super user-friendly. If you want a device that matches your decor while delivering excellent streaming, this is worth a serious look. Just like its sibling, it supports up to 4K HDR, ensuring you get that gorgeous detail in every show. The redesigned remote makes finding your favorite content even easier, adding a nice touch of convenience. Plus, it has that same great access to over 800 channels. Some users felt the interface could be a bit overwhelming at first. Here's the thing though, once you get acquainted with it, the flexibility it offers is truly rewarding. This is perfect for you if you enjoy stylish designs and a comprehensive streaming experience. Skip this if you prefer a simpler interface, but it's definitely worth considering if you want that blend of form and function.
The Roku Streaming Stick HD is great for budget-conscious users. The Roku Streaming Stick Plus adds 4K quality, while the Roku Streaming Stick 4K really enhances your viewing experience. The Google TV Streamer 4K offers personalized recommendations, and the Hazel version delivers style without sacrificing performance. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that suits your needs best.